Hi there, today I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up your iZone system so you can control it from your smartphone or tablet. Take your Wi-Fi bridge. You can plug the bridge straight into a GPO, or if you like you can undo these two screws and separate the power adapter from the bridge. Then you can sit the bridge neatly on your desk next to the modem and plug the power adapter in under the desk. Once you switch the power onto the bridge, the LEDs will light up. You may need to call on someone to help you with the next step. Press the pair button on the bridge and at the same time, press the pair wireless device icon in the configuration section of the iZone controller. Take the controller back to the home screen and you will see the grey Wi-Fi symbol. This means there is a bridge paired to the iZone system, but it does not have any Wi-Fi connection at this time. Take the 1 metre Cat5 cable that came with the bridge and plug it into the port on the bridge labelled Ethernet. Plug the other end into a spare port on your Wi-Fi modem. After a few seconds you will see the Wi-Fi symbol on the iZone home screen will change from grey to green. We now have a Wi-Fi connection. A few modems and networks are not compatible with iZone. Check with technical support at Airstream if you think your modem is not compatible. You may need to change your modem if this is the case. Now let's download the app onto your phone. iZone has apps on Apple, Android and Windows. Search for iZone controller and look for this logo. Make sure you're connected to your Wi-Fi system and press the iZone logo to open the app. You will see your system number at the top of the screen. Don't worry about the iZone Worldwide login at the bottom. This is for 4G control when you're outside your Wi-Fi area. I will cover the setup of iZone Worldwide on a separate video. So press your system number and you're in. Before you go crazy changing things, it's a good idea to rename your system. I will call mine iZone at home, and so the next time I access my app, it will show iZone at home and not the system number. That's it, relax on your couch and control your Aircon thanks to iZone.